Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for science exams step by step. First, begin by understanding your exam structure and what topics will be covered. Then, practice active recall by testing yourself without notes. This method significantly strengthens memory retention. For example, try to explain a concept aloud or write down everything you remember about a topic. Creating flashcards for key terms and formulas is also incredibly effective for quick self-quizzing. This foundational step is crucial for building a strong knowledge base. Next, incorporate extensive practice into your routine. Solve as many practice problems and past exam questions as possible to familiarize yourself with question types. This helps you identify specific areas where your understanding might be weaker. Once identified, dedicate focused time to reviewing those challenging topics. Additionally, employ spaced repetition by revisiting material at increasing intervals. For instance, review a topic after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days. This technique dramatically improves long-term memory. Beyond memorization, strive for a deep conceptual understanding of the material. Science often builds on foundational principles, so grasp the why behind the what. Visual aids are incredibly powerful. Try drawing diagrams, flowcharts, or mind maps to connect ideas. For example, illustrate a biological process or a chemical reaction. Furthermore, teaching the material to someone else, or even explaining it aloud to an imaginary audience, solidifies your own comprehension. This active engagement makes complex ideas much clearer. Finally, as the exam approaches, conduct a comprehensive review of all the material. This is not the time to learn new concepts, but to reinforce existing knowledge. Crucially, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, maintain a balanced diet, and stay well hydrated. Also, remember to take short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so during your study sessions. This prevents burnout and keeps your mind fresh and focused.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.